In this video, we will be looking at source analysis for pictorial sources. Now, in this case here, things that do with picture, we look at how we can break down pictures to analyze it further so that we can use it to draw conclusions. So first, when we look at pictorial sources, what we want to do is to look out for details. Okay, and what kind of details? We want to pick out things that stand out. Okay, that means really in your face kind of a thing. Or we can even find little bits of nuances that actually stand out to those little pieces of information that actually stand out to you. These are what we are looking for. Of course, we want to look out for information that is relevant to the question, if any. Okay, now by doing all this, again, similar to looking at textual sources, we want to be able to have an essential understanding, okay, of the source, so as to be able to draw good conclusions. Let's take a look at some examples. Let's take a look at this particular source. What are important details we can pick up from here? 1. Okay, there are cracks in the earth. Okay. 2, when we actually see the people here, what can we see of these people here? Their reactions. Okay, they look very troubled. Okay, and what we can see here, we can see pouring away of water. Okay, basically, if we actually can look at this as a whole, the essential understanding we get here is that, first of all, cracks in the earth. We can see here that the earth is dry, correct? The earth is dry. Okay, pouring away of water. Okay, that means to say that water is wasted. And from here, you can see the troubledness of it is that people are affected by something. Essentially, what we can see is cracks on the earth, people are affected. We can see that people are affected by cracks in the earth. So what we can conclude from here, okay, is that there is severe water shortage. There is the importance of conserving water. Okay, so these are some of the little messages that we can pick up from looking at this source. I say the importance of water. Okay, or importance of conserving water. Okay, or struggles without water. Okay, essentially going back to the whole idea of the importance of water there. So this is one source that we can take a look. Let's take a look at the second source right now. This one here is an interesting source, huh? So what are some things you can see here? People dressed up nicely. Okay. A lot of food. Okay, and we have very rich designs. Whereas here we can see empty plates. Okay, and this one here, people starving. So it's very clear here that we are looking at a group of people here versus another group of people here. It shows very clearly that these people here are the rich people, and the people here are people living in poverty, the poor people. So in this case here, it shows you that there is a big difference between the rich and the poor. So generally, we are talking about a big difference between the people who are above here in the picture versus the difference to people who are below in this picture here. So the general conclusion is that there is income inequality in this particular society. Okay, so income inequality in this society. All right, so this is actually how we can break down our pictorial sources to actually bring out the meaning of it. So once again, in conclusion, this is what we are looking out for when we are analyzing pictorial sources. All right, till the next time.